I'm trying to get rid of all the tension in the body.
Okay, what does this mean? That means, should we go there, there,
Right or down?
or should we go there? Vega del Rey.
Verrugoso! Campiello! Cafe! Food!
Planning to walk Camino Primitivo? Check out the 10 highlights of that Camino in the description below. Click the link and get it delivered straight to your inbox.
Good.
They say that the life starts after 40, but I say the life starts after coughing.
Like borres?
I cannot see much, amore.
I cannot see much neither. So, welcome to Borres.
A dog in the middle of the no, but it's a small dog.
Small dog, we can eat it for breakfast.
Yeah, I don't think he's seeing us. So.
Welcome to Borres and bye bye Borres. That's the way.
So we arrived at this point where many pilgrims have a dilemma. Which dilemma? Should I go through Hospitales or should I go through La Pola? Here Camino Portuguese split. I mean, he has two detours. You can choose either one or the other.
You say Camino Portuguese.
Mamma mia.
Is it Camino Portuguese or Primitivo?
Primitivo.
Okay, so
I always say Portuguese.
no problem, baby. We understand you.
Sorry. So, you can either go through one or the other. If you go through Hospitales, there's no food, no water, no albergues, no bars, no supermarket, nothing for 24 kilometers. If you go through La Pola, plenty of facilities. Where's the dilemma? We still don't know what we're gonna do because the fog is here and the views, I don't know.
So we over there, just on the corner, right?
Yeah, we are here and we are heading through to stay Colina de Arriba, which yes, it's through La Pola, but it has a detour, like a small path that goes from Colina to the route of Hospitales. we go? From here? Okay.
Today we woke up really early, and the first thing that I did was go into the bathroom to see what, because there's a window in the bathroom. So to see,
As I was saying, there was no need to disclose all these
to
details.
see what was the weather like, and I saw the cloudless sky, and I said,
And fogless.
wow,
Wow. Wow.
yeah,
This is beautiful.
this is what Erica was waiting for.
Yes. Yes.
We had a bit of a dilemma yesterday because of the fog, no?
Yeah. But today when we woke up, the clouds were pink because of the dawn. But really few clouds, so that's a good sign. Although we're going in the fog.
Oh yeah, we're going into fog, eh? Oh.
I'm really tired.
Close the door.
He doesn't get.
There he goes. Anyway, today 24 kilometers.
Without water, without food,
Without coffee.
without coffee, without supermarket, bar, restaurant, nothing, nothing. We are only relying on our coffee and on our. We took 1.5 liters of water each, some yogurt, fruit, rice. Wow! Wow! Wow!
Welcome to Hospitales. Baby, okay, we're going there.
Okay.
And as you can see, it's full of cows, but the bulls, and the bull is protecting the cows.
Where is the bull? Ah, yeah. I can see it from here. It's just in the middle.
Yeah,
no?
just in the guy who protects everything, the bigger guy, the bigger one.
Yeah, it's in the middle.
So we have to try to figure out how to go around, what to do.
I don't
Because
think it will be a problem, no?
you don't think there will be a problem.
No, because other pilgrims passed.
Yeah,
Okay,
but they
the
were
cows were far.
the
Okay.
far. So anyway, we're gonna try to make it somehow.
Yeah, they are going far.
Okay, let's do it. Yeah, now he's on the way, yeah? If I say we're nearly there, I would lie badly, eh? But we...
You said that this is the last climb.
Yeah, this is the last climb.
Always like
So there's this question of how difficult is Camino Primitivo, right? So why don't we ask Erica, after climbing this mountain, what does she think about that? Baby, can I ask you a question?
No, no.
You think Primitivo is difficult?
Huh. If you're coming straight away for your Camino, yes. If you've done something before, no. I think.
How do you feel now?
Good.
You're not even out of breath. I feel like a chain smoker here, and you're
No,
just
I
like.
feel my heart. I feel I have a heart, but it's not that bad. Like it was the first days on the Pyrenees. No. These disposable sheets are always always too small compared to the bed.
Good.
My bedtime! Okay, so first I prepare my sleeping bag so I don't bother anyone afterwards with the noise. So I prepare it all laid down and opened.
Open. This is important.
Yeah, so it doesn't bother anyone when I come to bed tonight. And I'm gonna go for a shower.
Thank you for subscribing.